How to make money on Bingx. Tutorial 2020 for Bingx new user bonus. Yo, what's up my dudes? It's your boy Ryan here, and let me tell you, I've got a juicy little nugget of information that's gonna blow your mind. Are you ready to learn how to make some serious cheddar on Bingx, the hottest crypto exchange in town? Listen up, cause I'm about to drop some knowledge that's gonna change your financial game for good. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another get-rich-quick scheme, huh? But trust me, this ain't no BS. I've been doing my research, and Bingx is the real deal. First things first, let me break down why Bingx is the place to be. This platform is straight up fire, my friends. They've got all the latest and greatest crypto assets, from Bitcoin to Ethereum and everything in between. And the best part? They've got a killer new user bonus that's gonna have you swimming in dough. Now, I know what you're thinking. Yo, Ryan, how do I get in on this action? Well, let me tell you, it's easier than you think. All you gotta do is sign up on Bingx, use the referral code 911, and boom, you're in the money, baby. But wait, there's more. Once you're all set up, you can start trading like a pro. Bingx has got some seriously dope features like advanced charting tools, lightning-fast execution, and 24/7 customer support. Plus, they've got a killer mobile app that lets you trade on the go. Now, I know what you're thinking. All right, Ryan, that's all well and good, but how do I actually make the money? Well, let me tell you, it's all about strategy, my friends. You gotta do your homework, stay on top of the latest market trends, and make some savvy moves. But don't worry, I've got your back. In this killer video, I'm gonna break down all the tips and tricks you need to make bank on Bingx. We're talking entry and exit points, risk management, and even some sneaky little trading hacks that'll have you raking in the dough in no time. Now, I know what you're thinking. Yo, Ryan, this all sounds too good to be true. But trust me, this is the real deal. I've been doing this for years, and I've seen the power of Bingx firsthand. It's like having a cheat code for the crypto market, and I'm here to share it with you. So, what are you waiting for, my dudes? Get on over to Bingx, use that referral code 911, and let's start making some serious cash. Remember, all the links and contacts you need are right here in the video description and in the pinned comment, so be sure to check them out. And hey, if you're still not convinced, just stick around to the end of this video. I'm gonna show you some real-life examples of people who've absolutely crushed it on Bingx. Trust me, you're not gonna want to miss this. So sit back, relax, and get ready to have your mind blown. This is the opportunity of a lifetime, and I'm here to make sure you don't miss out. Let's do this, my friends. Alright, let's dive in. First up, let's talk about why Bingx is the cream of the crop when it comes to crypto exchanges. These guys have been in the game for years, and they've got the chops to prove it. For starters, Bingx is super user-friendly. I mean, the platform is so intuitive, even your grandma could navigate it. They've got a clean, streamlined interface that makes it a breeze to buy, sell, and trade your favorite crypto assets. But it's not just the user experience that makes Bingx stand out. These guys have got some serious security chops too. I'm talking military-grade encryption, multi-factor authentication, and a team of cybersecurity experts that are always on the lookout for any shady activity. And let's not forget about the killer new user bonus. When you sign up on Bingx and use the referral code 911, you're gonna get a juicy little boost to your account balance. It's like having your own personal cheat code, am I right? Now, I know what you're thinking. All right, Ryan, that's all well and good, but how do I actually make the money? Well, my friends, that's where the real magic happens. Bingx has got some seriously advanced trading features that'll have you feeling like a Wall Street wizard. We're talking lightning-fast order execution, advanced charting tools, and a whole suite of risk management features that'll keep you safe and secure. And let me tell you, those features are gonna come in handy when you start diving into the world of crypto trading. Now, I know it can be a bit overwhelming at first, but trust me, it's all about finding the right strategy and sticking to it. That's where this killer video comes in, my dudes. I'm gonna break down all the tips and tricks you need to start making serious cash on Bingx. We're talking entry and exit points, risk management strategies, and even some sneaky little trading hacks that'll have you raking in the dough in no time. But it's not just about the trading, either. Bingx has got a whole host of other features that'll have you feeling like a crypto rockstar. We're talking staking, lending, and even a killer mobile app that lets you trade on the go. And let's not forget about the killer customer support team. These guys are always there to lend a helping hand, whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete newbie. They've got a 24/7 support line, live chat, and even a killer knowledge base that'll have you feeling like a crypto expert in no time. So, what are you waiting for, my friends? Get on over to Bingx, use that referral code 911, and let's start making some serious cash. Remember, all the links and contacts you need are right here in the video description and in the pinned comment, so be sure to check them out. But before you go, let me show you some real-life examples of people who've absolutely crushed it on Bingx. These guys are the real deal, and they're gonna show you just how powerful this platform can be. First up, we've got my buddy, Mike. Mike was just your average Joe, working a 9-to-5 and barely scraping by. But then he discovered Bingx and everything changed. Mike started out small, just dipping his toes into the crypto market. But thanks to the killer trading features and the support of the Bingx team, he was able to start making some serious cash. And I'm talking life-changing cash, my friends. In just a few short months, Mike was able to quit his job and start living the dream. He's now a full-time crypto trader, living the high life and traveling the world. And you know what the best part is? He's not the only one. Next up, we've got Sarah. Sarah was always a bit of a risk taker, but when she discovered Bingx, she knew she'd found her calling. She started out small, just like Mike, but before long, she was absolutely crushing it. Sarah's portfolio skyrocketed, and she was able to pay off her student loans, buy a brand new car, and even start investing in real estate. And the best part? She did it all while working from the comfort of her own home. But wait, there's more. We've also got my buddy, Jamal, who's been absolutely killing it on Bingx. Jamal was always a bit of a tech-savvy guy, and when he discovered the platform, he knew he'd found his calling. Jamal started out small, but thanks to the advanced trading features and the support of the Bingx team, he was able to start making some serious cash. And I'm talking life-changing cash, my friends. In just a few short months, Jamal was able to quit his job and start living the dream. He's now a full-time crypto trader, living the high life and traveling the world. And you know what the best part is? He's not the only one. So, what are you waiting for, my friends? Get on over to Bingx, use that referral code 911, and let's start making some serious cash. Remember, all the links and contacts you need are right here in the video description and in the pinned comment, so be sure to check them out. This is your chance to change your financial game for good, so don't sleep on it. Get in on the action, start trading like a pro, and watch your bank account skyrocket. Trust me, you're gonna wish you'd discovered Bingx sooner. So, what are you waiting for? Let's do this.